Welcome everybody to my apartment. Here we are standing in front of the front door. Have a little alcove hole. There's our living room wall. Living room. Put my TV in the living room. My PlayStation. We have a little balcony area because we're on the 3rd floor. Chair, couch. My roommate just brought another chair, which is good since there's 6 of us. Table. Bedroom. That is Kristen and Joanna's room. A little dry erase board I got for all of us. Here's our kitchen. Ignore the garbage, I gotta take it out later. Microwave, oven, stove, fridge with all my magnets. Can't get in that door. Here's our pantry. We all have our own shelf. I've of course got the top one because I'm the tallest one in the apartment. Dishwasher, sink, all the fun stuff. I even have my own cabinet here with all my other stuff in it. I'm not going to show you the fridge. There's food in it. And then here is our dining room. Again, 6 chairs since there are 6 of us. That is not a black hole over there or a hole in the wall. That's actually a chalkboard. And that is our water. Everybody brought a case of water, so we're good with water for a while. Let me zoom out. And then we go down the hall. We have a little computer desk area. Somebody brought a printer and a lamp. But there's our modem and wireless router. For some odd reason I can't get in there yet. Another door we can't open. Straight here, this is Jess and Kayla's room with little butterflies on it. Their bathroom door, which they keep locked because it's their room. Finally, we go into my room. This is Molly's side. Here's my room, my bed, nightstand. My trunk, because I've got a bunch of stuff. Here's the bathroom. We found little bird pictures that I put. Here's the dresser. That's my side of the dresser, of course, because I've got entirely too much stuff. Of course, I've got my terrible towel. And I got an Irish Mini at Epcot the other night. And now we go into the bathroom. Molly actually bought a rug and a shower curtain, because without it would be nice and plain. Yeah, you don't need to see that toilet. Then we have the sink, all stuff. There's a mirror, but I'm not showing you guys. We even got a little medicine cabinet. And behind the bathroom door is our closet. There's all my hats. Got my Steelers hat. My Georgia Southern hat for Andrew. Gotta get me a UCF hat while I'm here. All my clothes. Even got my suitcase up. Towels. More clothes of mine. This side's Molly's. As you can see, I've kind of overtaken the closet. Here's my lovely uniform. A lot better than what some of the other people have to wear. And a scarf. Again, the hats. And that's pretty much it for my apartment. Good apartment. Definitely happy about it. And hope everybody's doing good. And and see you guys later.